Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I show how to log into CapCut using your TikTok account. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on any important information. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is open up your CapCut app on your phone. This works for both iOS and Android users. And you should be taken to the home screen of CapCut where it says edit. And then from here, you want to click on to me. And then you want to sign in with TikTok. In order for this to work, you must have a TikTok account. So if you do, go ahead and click on sign in with TikTok. If you don't have a TikTok account, go ahead and sign up to TikTok. All right, I'm going to click on sign in. Now this will take me over to TikTok. And now it says authorize CapCut to access your TikTok account. So I'm going to authorize this. Wait a few moments for it to load. And now you must put in your birth date. Like so, and then click on continue. And then give it a few moments for it to load, and then head back to CapCut. I'm going to pause this video. And there you go, I'm logged into CapCut using my TikTok account. As you can see, it's linked to TikTok. And from here you can change your profile picture, your username, and all that good stuff. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.